Hello everyone, it's Sandie here. Thought I'd do something a little bit different for you this week. I'm doing my bedroom makeover video, which I promised you. Looks absolutely stunning in my bedroom. I'm so happy with it. At the beginning of any project, you've always got to sort of have a mood board, really. It's good for sort of like getting the look all together on a mood board and sort of writing where everything comes from and putting your budget on there, and you know how many rolls of wallpaper you need, how many tins of paint you need, and that all that kind of thing. And then you go from there and start pulling everything in. Obviously, I started making the curtains last week and I posted that video, which I hope you all liked. I've got this beautiful voile. That's the colour. It's a silk organza. Obviously, it's got all this lovely embroidered detail with the Swarovski crystals. It is absolutely stunning. It's an old fabric. I've had it a long time and I've been meaning to use it for somewhere in the house. We've obviously hung the curtains and they're looking absolutely stunning. I was really happy with them. We had to go to the common denominator of the room, which is my bedroom furniture. That's something that I wasn't going to get rid of. So we're calling it the common denominator because that's the thing that you want to consider when you're doing a mood board. You know, consider what you can get rid of and what you can't get rid of. I'm showing you here where I got my furniture from. It was a Furniture Direct 365 and they do beautiful pieces. Here's my wardrobe. I wanted to have everything matching because that's me to a T. I like to have everything matching. And then I bought the chest of drawers, which is lovely. And then after getting the wardrobe and the chest of drawers, I ordered a bedside cabinet. And then I went for a tall boy. So they were all matching, but I didn't want two bedside cabinets. I needed a tall boy because I needed some extra space. And then I had, obviously, the bed. This is my bed. When I first bought my bed, the tone of it did not go with what I was wanting to do in the room. So I ummed and ahed. I was going to reupholster it, that would have been a lot of work. And a friend of mine who is in the same work as I am recommended that I use Annie Sloan chalk paint. And I'd never heard of this, but as it happened, the chalk paint is perfect for things like headboards. So I did it myself, painted the headboard, did exactly what they said on the tin, and it came out a dream. Look at it. Green headboard, matching my walls perfectly. I mean, I couldn't have been more happier with it. So it looks like I've reupholstered it, but I've just painted it. So, you know, I really thoroughly recommend this paint. It just did look absolutely beautiful. I found this beautiful wallpaper from Designers Guild and I just fell in love with it, to be honest, and that's what I wanted as my feature wall behind my bed. So this is the wallpaper I went for. I needed 2 rolls and it was very expensive, but I figured it was a good investment because it's absolutely stunning in the bedroom. It really does look a bit special. It really is lovely. I couldn't afford to do the whole bedroom in this wallpaper and I didn't want to because it would have been too much. I just picked out a really lovely green from the wallpaper to complement the rest of the room. So we then go on to the paint and I went through loads of paint colours and decided on the Farrow & Ball Vert de Terre. This paint really looks amazing with the wallpaper and it was just the perfect colour. I wanted it to be very cooling and calming and soft and pretty, you know, the whole room. I just wanted a lovely ambience, you know, and I love the fact that we got the white flowers in, and the white flowers obviously went really well with all the French furniture. So that was where I was going. Paper is called Kiyosumi. Celadon is the colour. There was a couple of other paint wallpapers I was looking at, but I chose the Kiyosuri. Right, accessories. Now, I went for just plain white bed linen. I chose one that I got quite good discount from, and then I got this beautiful throw, some lovely pillowcases, matching sheet, and then I put it all together. And there you have it. You have the wallpaper, that lovely bird with a little bit of blue in. I kind of feel like I need to have a little bit of blue in my room just to pick out the bird. So pretty. Showing you my poles, because I bought those from a company that I have a trade account with, so if anybody needs anything, let me know. But I wanted them to be like a French style pole that matched the rest of my French furniture, so probably will be putting blinds up, but I'm just going to get roller blinds that are blackout in green. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed watching me put my bedroom together. It's something that I didn't think I was going to share, but I thought, why not? Let's show my lovely subscribers what I've done with my room. Anyway, if you've got any questions on anything that I bought for the room, let me know in the comments and I'll happily let you know all the details. I hope you're all doing very well, and please subscribe and hit the bell button and like the video because it helps the channel enormously. Anyway, take care and lots of love. Bye for now.